Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best Teak Cleaner and Brightener is probably one of the most essential products for anyone looking to restore the natural beauty and luster of their teak furniture or outdoor structures, as it not only removes stubborn dirt, grime, and mildew but also revitalizes the wood's original golden hue, making it look brand new and protecting it from the harsh elements. Number 5. Furniture Clinic Teak Oil. Is your teak furniture looking dull and weathered? This oil brings back its golden brown natural finish, enhancing its original beauty. Protect your cherished wooden items, whether indoors or outdoors, from harmful UV rays. It works wonders on teak and other hardwoods. Keep your unfinished wood looking its best. It creates a water-resistant barrier, replacing lost oils and preventing damage from weathering. Crafted with a traditional blend of tung and linseed oil, this clear formula is safe and non-toxic. It dries to a beautiful, natural matte finish. Applying it is a breeze. Just use a cloth to rub it into the wood for quick drying, instant results. Wipe away any excess and enjoy. What we like. This product restores the natural beauty of your teak furniture, giving it a golden brown finish. It provides essential protection against UV rays and creates a water-resistant seal. If you are looking for a product that nourishes and protects your wood, maintaining its natural look and preventing damage from the elements, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This product is a two-step process that cleans and brightens teak furniture. It effectively removes dirt, grime, and oxidation from teak wood, restoring its natural color and luster. The cleaner works quickly, and the brightener brings out the golden brown hue of the teak. Number 4. Star BRITE Premium Teak Cleaner. Is your teak furniture looking old and weathered? Bring it back to life with our premium cleaner. It's the first step to a refreshed look. Don't let graying teak ruin your outdoor space. This powerful formula penetrates deep to renew even the most weathered wood. See the difference it makes. It's not just for teak. This cleaner is perfect for other fine woods too. Restore their natural beauty and enjoy them for years to come. Getting started is simple. This is the essential first step in our easy-to-follow restoration process. Just apply and see the magic happen. Achieve professional-level results without the hassle. Our cleaner is designed for effectiveness, making your teak look brand new again. Enjoy the renewed beauty of your wood for longer. This cleaner not only restores but also helps maintain that fresh, vibrant appearance. What we like. This product is designed to bring back the original glory of your teak, enhancing its natural grain and tone. It effectively prepares the wood for a more consistent application of teak oil or sealer. If you have dull, unevenly toned teak and want to achieve a professional, uniform finish before applying protective treatments, this is the ideal first step. What people say. This Teak Cleaner and Brightener is a two-step process that effectively removes dirt and grime from teak furniture. It restores the natural golden brown color of teak wood, making it look like new. The product is easy to use and provides excellent results in brightening dull and oxidized teak. Number 3. Star BRITE Premium Teak Brightener. Revive your teak with this essential restoration product. It transforms tired, dull, and uneven wood tones, bringing back its original beauty. Unleash the intricate grain and warm tones of your fine woods. It enhances their natural beauty and color for a stunning look. Simply apply this brightener with a sponge or brush and let it soak. No tedious rubbing or scrubbing is required for a great finish. Once brightened, your teak is perfectly primed for oil or sealer. This ensures an even, professional finish with a warm tone. It is safer to use than other caustic brighteners. It will not harm fiberglass or painted surfaces, making it a worry-free choice. Choose a leading name in marine, auto, RV, home, and outdoor products since 1973. Experience superior quality and performance, proudly crafted in the USA. What we like. This cleaner and brightener effectively removes tough stains, grease, and grime without the need for sanding. It's safe for various fine woods and won't harm fiberglass or painted surfaces. If you're dealing with stubborn dirt and stains on your teak furniture or boat surfaces and want a powerful yet gentle cleaning solution, this product is perfect for you. What people say. This Teak Cleaner and Brightener is a two-step process that effectively removes dirt and grime from teak furniture. It restores the natural golden color of teak wood, making it look like new. The product is easy to use and provides excellent results in brightening dull and weathered teak. Number 2. Better Boat Teak Cleaner and Sealer. Restore your teak furniture with our complete restoration kit. It includes everything you need to clean, brighten, and seal your wood for lasting beauty. Easily remove tough stains, grease, and grime without any sanding. Our marine-grade formula cuts through dirt and deposits to reveal the natural beauty of your wood. Bring back the original beauty to gray, weathered teak. It revives dull and blackened wood, preparing it for sealing to protect against the elements. This cleaner and sealer is safe for various fine woods, as well as fiberglass and painted surfaces. It cleans effectively without harsh acids. As a family-owned American business, we are committed to premium quality. We stand behind our products and your satisfaction with our teak cleaning and restoration set. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit for restoring teak, capable of removing dirt and stains without harsh acids. It's safe for a variety of fine woods and even protects fiberglass and painted surfaces. If you need an all-in-one solution for cleaning and restoring your teak items, especially if you want to avoid damaging other boat components, this kit offers great value and convenience. What people say. It cleans and brightens teak furniture. This product effectively restores the natural color of teak wood. It is easy to use and leaves the teak looking like new. Number 1. Teak Cleaner and Brightener Kit. Introducing our powerful Teak Cleaner and Brightener Kit. It's designed to quickly clean your teak surfaces, leaving them looking their best. Our marine-grade formula is gentle on your teak but incredibly effective. You'll achieve remarkable results without compromising the material. Choose the perfect size for your needs. We offer this amazing product in 3 different convenient sizes to suit any project. Whether you're refreshing your teak furniture or maintaining your boat's decking, this kit is the ideal solution for both. Experience the difference with our 2-part cleaning system. It works quickly to restore the natural beauty and brightness of your teak. What we like. This product offers a 2-part cleaning system that is both gentle on your teak and remarkably effective. It comes in a choice of 3 different sizes to suit your needs. If you prefer a 2-step approach to cleaning your teak and want a reliable, gentle yet powerful solution that you can purchase in a size that fits your project, this kit is a solid choice. What people say. It works great on teak furniture, restoring its original color and removing grayness. Easy to use, just apply and wipe off, and the teak looks like new again. Effectively brightens dull teak surfaces, bringing back a warm, golden hue. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.